Hello everyone, Mr. Mesco here. Let's join Formative. You don't need to create an account, but what you need to do is join with a code. Your teacher will provide you with a code. Each code is specific to any given class. In this case, we're going to join Biology period 1. Click login and then log in with Google. Don't put in your actual email there. Once you click here, a pop-up window will show up and you select your school account. Simply keep clicking through the prompts, join Mr. Mesco's class, and from there you will be able to see every formative that has been created. You will see here next to each one of them that you have completed a little scoring rubric, and that's it. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Pichum!